got my caulking here, and yeah, don't pay somebody else to do something like this for you, please. Okay, I'm gonna fill that up with some caulking, a little bit. A dab will do you. This will kind of help prevent it from getting water down in there. Okay. Last thing I want is for that to come out the side, huh? I don't think it will. If it does, I'll have to dig some of it out. But I think I'm okay. I'm gonna pull that to the inside and pull that one to the inside like that. So it's not gonna bleed out, right? Okay. Always nice to do something for Auntie. Always nice. Okay, so now I better take note of how this goes back on. I didn't want. It's a good thing. Well, I just have to decide where I want this wing nut and stuff. Okay, because the wing nut is going to be on there. Here's the set screw on the outside. Do I want to put it up like that, or do I want to put it up like that with this screw on the inside, the wing nut on the outside? I don't know. I think I'm going to put the wing nut facing out so that when you look up at the front of the house, you don't see the wing nut, you just have this, okay? And she's right-handed. Most people are right-handed. So when you put the flag up, you can do that, and then you can use this with your right hand to tighten up the little side thing, right? Okay, you with me? Okay, so I'm just gonna unscrew that again, take that off so I know which direction to put that up. And I got my white screws, and I could start these maybe with my Phillips screwdriver, my hand one. Okay. Hey, I can just hold that up there and kind of fish it in before I shove it up to the wall. Like that. Get that one in. See how I've got it going slightly at the angle of the dangle, and I might have to take those out until I get this top one screwed in, but we'll see. Yeah, see, I just might, because no matter what, I've got to make sure that one's straight, and then these other ones will dig in. We'll get it. Okay. Get it? Oh, no problem. Okay, I can kind of slide that one over just slightly. That, and now I can. I can get that before I tighten it up. Before I tighten it up all the way, of course, I gotta make sure that this side's gonna line up exactly where I want it. And see, I know I've got to get that in at an angle, remember? So get that in there at the angle. And we'll get you moved over here for the sake of it, just so I'm not in your way, okay? Just so I'm not in your way. I may have to do a little finagling. Concentrate on keeping it at the angle, and it's got to go over a little bit more. So, come on. There it goes. And that's why I like this impact drill. If you had a regular drill, there's no way you're going to drive those in. But with this, there is, because it just ratchets. And I noticed there was that mark right there. And that's why I'm getting up in the stool, so I can just bear down with my arm, my shoulder, instead of trying to be up here like this and wrench your arm out of whack. You know what I mean? Look at my side there. That looks pretty good. If anything, I need to put this one in first to just slightly drive it. And it's looking straight. Now all I have to hope is that I don't break off the screw, but I don't think I will, because I had it driven in almost all the way with the other screw, remember? And that started my hole. The beauty of the impact drill. Now this one, I'm gonna tighten that up by hand. I think I'm gonna do that one by hand, because that was the existing one, and it'll be tight, but I don't want to spin it out. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Even though it's in there at a very slight angle, I'm getting it. I'm getting all 4 screws in the edge of the 2x4. Look at that. Look at that. Now once it's snug, it's snug. You can't overdo it, because you could literally break the screw off. That's how strong this thing is. And if you do, then it gets trickier. You know, you could still put in another screw. You'd have to fish beyond it and stuff. Yeah, okay. I don't want to go any further than that. That is snug as a bug in a rug. Okay, now I'm going to take my corrector fluid, shake it, give it a little shake, and get it right in there, and right in the middle. You get it in the middle. Now you can't see anything I did with that. I got some on my finger. Dabbity nabbit. Right in the middle. It almost looks like, it's like, how did that guy put that in without marking up the center of those screws on that white, you know? Okay. Oh, I'm getting it all over now. Mother said there was hardly any in there, and there wasn't, but hey, it'll work. It's enough. It'll come off. It'll be fine. That's giving me a chance to put like a second coat everywhere else. And if you really get antsy about it, in an hour or so, you can come back out here, put another little coat on there. You should be fine. Yeah, see, there's just a little right there. Okay, there. Boy, looks like I almost knew what I was doing, huh? Almost. That's funny. Okay, I guess I'm not done, am I? Put this on. And, you know, probably about like that. Oh, she's got her flag in there. I guess I could stick that up. And you can do that any which way you want. Okay. So let me hold you here, and I'm going to get the flag. Be right back. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe to my channel. Do yourself a favor and save some money around the house. That's what my channel is all about. See you next time.